Good morning, everyone. You guys are in my skincare cabinet right now. I have not perfected my morning skincare routine. I kind of just look at the random stuff I have and put it on if I feel like it. I don't know. Okay, I'm thinking I want to use one of these two serums. This one is the Youth to the People Clean Caffeine Energy Serum. And then this one is the Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. I'm feeling this one. Okay, and then I want to use my Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I have been really liking this stuff. My under eyes are just always like kind of dark, so I feel like this helps. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'll wait to do sunscreen and moisturizer until I do my makeup, because that's what I usually do. Also, I don't think I've showed you this, but this is our cute skincare cabinet. This is all of my stuff, and then this is all of Rachel's. It's time to make breakfast. I threw on this big t-shirt because I just felt more comfy. This is my new favorite big t-shirt, so you guys will probably see me wearing it a lot. It's from Urban Outfitters. I will link it in the description if you want it. I think I'm feeling toast for breakfast. Okay, bread is in the toaster. I'm gonna make peanut butter and banana toast. So I'm gonna cut up a banana. Make some coffee. I have this cute little mug from IKEA. I think this is my favorite mug. I don't want to use my milk frother. I feel like I've said this a bunch of times, but my coffee recipe is just the best. Just kidding. I'm the type of person who really likes sweet coffee, so you can barely even taste the coffee. I use the Natural Bliss almond milk. Oh wait, no, this one isn't the almond milk one. This is just the regular all natural vanilla creamer. And then the Starbucks vanilla cold brew. Wait, is this cold brew? Vanilla iced coffee. You guys, I have to pause this because my Be Real just went off. Today's Be Real has been posted. Now I'm using a little splash of this vanilla syrup. I honestly forgot what I was talking about before I took my Be Real, and I got a package. Actually, let me go grab that. Okay, I'm back. I will open that after I eat. It's so good today. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna froth some milk. I have this one. It was only $10 at Target, in case you were wondering. Wait a second. I'm gonna try not to gag right now. So never mind. We're actually not gonna be frothing milk today. The toast is a little bit burnt, but oh, I don't even want to show you guys the other side, but I will. What is, like, why are things going wrong this morning? Do I even eat it? I don't want to waste it. This is gonna be gross, but I want to try it. Okay, why is it not bad at all? Literally tastes normal. I'm gonna eat it. So I got a late start to my day. I'm eating breakfast at the time I should be eating lunch, but it's fine. This is pretty much how my days have been recently. My sleep schedule is just not how I would like it to be. It's not even like bad or anything. I just would rather be getting up at like 9 or something rather than like 10 or 11. But it's also summer, so like why should I care? I don't know. Anyways, today can definitely still be productive. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my burnt toast, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup now. The hair is looking a little crazy, but we'll fix that later. I'm gonna go in with the Supergoop Glow Screen. Okay, now I'm using the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream from Youth to the People. Okay, now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Today I wanted to just do like a more normal video for you guys because I feel like I've been doing a lot of moving content recently, and that's fun and all, but there's just been a lot and I feel like it's getting repetitive, especially because I know so many other YouTubers are moving right now too. So you guys are just getting overloaded with moving content, so I just want to keep things kind of different. Also for concealer, I've been really into doing like a more natural concealer look because I feel like this looks way more summery. So I've been using the Glossier Stretch Concealer in the shade G8, using the Glossier Solar Paint. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Nearly Mauve. I recently visited home and I found this in my old makeup because I actually didn't bring makeup home because I thought I was gonna be there for like one night, but then I had to stay longer, so I don't know. I had to improvise with makeup, and I found this Hoola bronzer. Quickie Contour Stick. This feels like ancient. I remember being so excited when this came out, and then I tried it and I like hated it because it just didn't blend well. But I was blending it with a beauty blender and I realized you need to blend it with a brush and it blends way better. Also, I received a PR package recently from Wildflower Cases, and they did a collaboration with About Face Beauty, and they sent a bunch of these eyeliners and then some eyebrow products, but I actually don't use eyebrow products. I just like use clear gel to hold them down. So I haven't tried those yet, but I did try the eyeliner and I'm obsessed with this eyeliner. I've been looking for a really good like liquid or gel brown eyeliner. I just kind of like messily put it on and then use a brush to kind of like smoke it out. So that's what it looks like when I first put it on, but then I'm gonna go in with a brush and like clean it up. I'm gonna use some brow gel. I need to order more of this because I'm running out of my boy brow from Glossier. I totally forgot to put on powder. I've been doing that a lot recently. I feel like it's the new like concealer thing that I'm doing that makes me completely forget to put on powder. Okay, now I'm using my Rare Beauty highlight. This is the liquid luminizer in the shade Mesmerize. Okay, now I'm gonna put on powder. I'm using the Wet n Wild translucent powder. I'm gonna set my makeup with the e.l.f. setting spray. Since I don't have any more Benetint, I'm just gonna use the Glossier Cherry Balm.com. Here's the finished makeup look. I'm probably gonna throw on some YouTube or Netflix or something and do my hair. I'm debating on doing hot rollers or curling my hair. I'm thinking curling it because that'll last longer. I could like wear that tomorrow too. I think I'm gonna curl it. Okay, the sheets are on my bed. Now I want to pick out an outfit, but first I want to go open the package that I got earlier because I might be able to wear something that I got in there. Not sure yet. Actually, I should probably wash them first, but let's go open it. Also, something that I have not shared with you guys yet in this vlog is that we have a couch. Here it is. It's gonna look weird for now because we don't have a rug or a TV console or a coffee table, but that will all be happening soon. I don't know when because we haven't ordered anything yet, but soon we'll work on that. Okay, I ordered from ThredUp. I've worked with them before and I really like ThredUp. This isn't sponsored. I ordered this myself. So I got two things. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, this is looking good already. I can't tell if it's gonna be the right size or not, but this is so cute. I love, love, love little tiny skirts like this. I just think that they're the most flattering on me instead of like high-rise skirts because I'm very short, and so this just helps make me look, I don't know, not taller, but the proportions just look way better in this skirt than if I were to wear like a high-waisted skirt, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'll try this on in a minute. And then I also got this skirt. Okay, this is also looking good. My hair is already on it. Hopefully that's mine. Oh my god. It's this like knit material, and I've been wanting more skirts like this. It's like a midi skirt. Oh, by the way, I didn't say the brand. So this one is originally Abercrombie & Fitch, and then this one is from Princess Polly actually. So these are both super cute. I'm gonna go try these on. Okay, ignore all of this stuff, but here's the denim skirt. It's a little too big and I'm so sad. I knew that this one might be too big, but I was willing to risk it. But I feel like there's definitely a way that I can fix it to make the waist a little bit smaller. And here is the neck skirt. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with slippers and a t-shirt, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is perfect. This is like exactly what I've been wanting, and I was able to find it on ThredUp, so I'm so excited. This literally fits so well. You guys can't tell me this isn't a fit. Grandma core. JK, I'm changing ASAP. Okay, now let's pick out an actual outfit. I want to do something comfy but also cute. I want to see what denim shorts I have that are clean. Okay, I actually really like these ones. These are thrifted and they're like a little longer, and they're also like kind of low rise slash like mid-rise, and this is the brand if you're interested. And now to pick out a shirt. Okay, I think I want to wear this. I'm just obsessed with this top. It's so cute. It's from Brandy, in case you were wondering. Okay, here's the outfit. I'm so obsessed with these little mom shorts. They're just the comfiest shorts that I own, so I wear them a lot. Okay, now I definitely need to do work. I do have that big project for my summer school class, so I need to get started on that because for the rest of the day I want to be able to relax and do fun stuff. I love just putting random stuff in my smoothies and hoping it'll taste good. That's what I've been doing a lot recently. So this one is strawberries, bananas, spinach, peanut butter, honey. And then for the liquid, I like to use muscle milk. I think I talked about that in my last vlog and it's so good. Anyways, I'm gonna drink this and start reading stuff for my class, which I'm not excited for because it's like a 17-page case and it's probably gonna be super boring, but I need to know this information to do my part of the project. So wish me luck. coffee Americana. Rachel got her hair done. Hey. Everyone hype her up. I want to go to Brandy and Sephora, and I think that's it. Mini Americana haul. I did not get as much as I was expecting to because everything at Sephora that I wanted was sold out. So very small Brandy haul. I got these earrings that I already have, but they're like super tarnished, so I needed some new ones. And then these shorts to sleep in.
So cute. Shall I do a little?
Yes.
Little haul. Oh my god.
A little haul.
Hey, Rachel's haul. I got these shorts. How cute, guys. I don't know. I'm trying to get more basics in my closet, so very cute. And I just folded them over and they fit really well. Fun. Then I got more basics. I got this little baseball tee. I've never owned a baseball tee.
That's really cute.
And I need them. And then this is like a really good quality, just white t-shirt that I needed. So.
Oh my god, stop. We're twins with 2 out of the 3 of the things.
Really? We need to stop hanging out so much. I'm actually gonna move out. This is too much.
You might need to move out. Okay, we're back home. Right now I'm hungry, so I kind of want to eat dinner. I'm not sure. I'll see if Rachel's hungry, but I also need to do more work for my summer school class, so I will probably pick up this vlog after I get my stuff done. I totally forgot to say, but I have a mini room update. I got this really cute little calendar from Target. In my dorm, my roommate had one of these, and I just realized how much it helped me. I'm a very visual person, so being able to see everything just helps my mind be a little bit more clear. And then I want to get some like different pictures to put in here. I'm not sure what I'm doing with that yet. Those are just kind of like placeholders. And then I also got a couple candles. I got this sprinkled birthday cake candle, and then this passion fruit and banana flower candle. I haven't lit this one yet, but this one smells so nostalgic to me because I used to have like lotions from Bath and Body Works that smelled just like this. So this smells like my like awkward preteen stage to me, which sounds like a bad thing, but I think it's a good thing because it just feels very like homey to me.